Hello, my name is Keith Riegert. I'm an independent publisher and co-founder of Perfect Bound, a marketplace that strives to remove the frictions and inefficiencies in printing books. Perfect Bound allows publishers to easily build out printing specifications for hardcover projects, paperbacks, decks, children's board books, and more, all on one platform. Each step along the way is standardized, explained, and made as clear as possible. And once your project is built, you're ready to get quoting. Start by browsing our vetted and verified printers from around the world, and then send your pricing request to dozens of printers with just one click. When you've received bids, quickly compare terms like turnaround time, unit price, and payment options to choose your best partner to help you bring your project to market. Throughout the process, you can communicate in real time with your printing partners and send large files like production material and templates in the fully private and archived messaging areas. And when it comes time to pay, Perfect Bound offers a highly secure ACH payment system using Plaid and Stripe to ensure your banking details are safe and your transaction is secure and successful. With your projects in motion, you can receive updates, track inventory from press to warehouse, and analyze your costs, all on this single platform. We are thrilled to welcome you to Perfect Bound. Join free today.